Students, today we are going to do is transformation of sentences. We are going to do the first part of it, that to remove to in the English grammar. That means when there is to in the sentence, how we convert it, how we change to. Instead of that to, we write so. In place of to, we remove to and write so. Students, transformation of sentences means where we change the sentence but we don't change the meaning of the sentence. The sentence is the same. Only we are going to remove to and add so to it. There are two rules which we are going to do is, and according to that we are going to do its steps. Now, if the structure of a sentence is subject plus verb plus to plus adjective or an adverb is there plus infinite to, that is to or first form of verb is given in it. So, what are the steps we are going to do? Step 1 is subject plus verb. Then we remove to and write so at that place. Then step 3 is we use adjective or an adverb. In step 4 we use that. Step 5 we use pronoun according to the subject. Pronoun means if the subject is he or she, they, it, us, they are all pronouns. So according to that we change or use it. Then we use can, can't, cannot, could not, which is according to the tense. In which form of tense the sentence is, according to that we do. Then we remove to also if it is there in the sentence, and then rest of part of the sentence is written. For example, students, see over here, he is too good to beat a boy. So how are we going to change this to? He is so good. Then we add that. He, then again in the sixth step it has given can, cannot, can't we can use. So he cannot beat a boy. Now students, over here when we read he is too good to beat a boy, this is in which tense? Present tense. So for that we use he cannot beat a boy. Then the next example, it is too cold to go out of the mansion. Again we remove to. It is so cold that, remember we have to use that in the sentence, that we cannot go out of the mansion. Then in the rule 2, students, again we do the same thing, is if the structure of a sentence is subject plus verb plus to plus adjective plus for, if for is used, and a noun. It is the same conversion, students. First step is subject plus verb. Then we remove to and write so at that place. We use adjective. Then we use that. We use pronoun according to the subject. We use can, can't, cannot, could not, which is according to the tense. And then we use be and remove for. If for is there, in place of for we use be and remove to from it, and the rest of the part of the sentence will be same. Again, for example, he is dull for a work. He is so dull that he cannot be a worker. Students, go through the video very thoroughly and we will discuss about it in our tomorrow's class and do the exercise. Thank you.